Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jules for those of you who are new, and in today's video I made these amazing freaking A. Well, this is what I'm gonna taste. But I made these delicious pumpkin cupcakes. I swear these are the best pumpkin cupcakes ever. Little backstory on these cupcakes. I actually never really been into anything pumpkin flavor, not pumpkin lattes. I never really liked pumpkin pie that much until I tried my mother-in-law's recipe for pumpkin cupcakes. Well, the first time I tried these cupcakes, it was so addicting. I had to learn it, so thank you to my mother-in-law for teaching me how to make this and also letting me teach you guys how to make it as well, because I do get a lot of questions from friends and family on how I make this exactly. So in this video, I show you how to make these pumpkin cupcakes, which I think is perfect if you have a Halloween party and you want to bring like a really yummy treat. And Thanksgiving, I always make this for Thanksgiving as a dessert because it's simple, it's super cute, it's super tasty. And yeah, I'm gonna show you how I make these pumpkin cupcakes.
Alrighty, so for the ingredients for the cupcake batter, you're gonna need 1.5 cups of sugar, 3/4 cups canola oil, 1 can of pumpkin puree, which is 15 ounces, 4 eggs, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. For the filling / frosting, you're gonna need 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 cup of whole milk, 1/4 cup of shortening, 1/2 cup of butter softened, 2 cups of confectioners sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, which is not shown in the picture. So the very first thing I'm doing is just setting my oven to 350 degrees just to allow it to preheat. Then I'm gonna go ahead and start with the filling. So here I'm just turning on my stove to about a low heat, and then I'm going to combine the milk and the cornstarch. This is actually needed for the frosting, but it does need to cool to a room temperature, so I always start with this. So as you've seen, I poured in the milk and I'm just stirring it around, and then soon I'm gonna add the cornstarch, and you're gonna have to constantly stir it until the milk comes to a boil, and then you get that nice frothy consistency. So just keep in mind, the reason why you wanna continuously stir when you add the cornstarch is because if you don't, the cornstarch ends up sticking together and becomes hardened. So that's why you want to always stir in between. You want to keep the consistency smooth, and like I said before, you're going to get a frothy, smooth, blended consistency. Alrighty guys, so as you can see, the milk is that frothy consistency. It's come to a boil, so I'm just going to set it aside in this bowl to allow it to cool down. Alrighty, now for the batter, I'm gonna combine the sugar, the canola oil, the pumpkin puree, and of course the 4 eggs, and then I'm gonna go ahead and mix them together. Now I'm gonna go ahead and combine the flour, baking soda, salt, baking powder, and cinnamon, and I'm just gonna mix it together and then gradually add it to the pumpkin mixture until it's well blended. Here I'm just taking this, what do you call it, a spatula, and I'm just mixing the flour that got stuck on the side into the mixture. Once the batter is completely mixed, you're gonna go ahead and start adding it to the cupcake cups, and you're gonna fill them about 2/3 of the way. So you're gonna wanna go ahead and bake these cupcakes for about 18 to 22 minutes or until the toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Also, I like to cook the cupcakes separately, so now I'm just putting the second batch into the oven. Now moving on to the frosting or the filling, I'm gonna add the shortening as well as the softened butter and also the confectioner sugar, and I'm gonna go ahead and mix it until it's light and fluffy. I'm also adding half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now I'm just gradually adding the milk and cornstarch mixture. Now that the frosting's done, I'm just gonna put it in this little froster thing that I got. I think I got it on Amazon, I'm not really sure, but it's just gonna help me make the frosting part a little bit cuter. So I'm just gonna fill it up and then we're gonna frost the cupcakes. Also, before we frost the cupcakes, I'm just taking this tool that's gonna allow me to cut the center of each cupcake because these are cream filled, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. So now I'm just filling in the center of each cupcake and I'm gonna frost them to the top. Now for the pumpkin topper, I'm just cutting the center pieces in half basically, and then I'm also gonna add some cloves to make it look like a pumpkin, and then we're gonna just top the cupcakes.
All right, you guys, so this is the outcome. So freaking cute. Like, it's so cute and festive. I'm gonna go ahead and take a bite and show you guys. So this is optional. You don't have to do the pumpkin on top, but come on, like, it's so cute. You might as well, right? So you don't want to eat the clove, obviously. It's just for decor. So I start off on the top. These are so freaking good. It's super moist too. I hate that word, but it's really moist. So if you bite, it's cream all up in the middle. You know what I love about these cupcakes is it's not too sweet, so it's not overwhelming. It's just like the right amount of sweetness. That can be a little dangerous because, of course, you're gonna want another one, I promise. But perfection. Oh my god, so good. These are so good. Okay, I can't eat anymore because I have to save it for the party tomorrow. But hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do make it, tag me on Instagram at julez_Fowler. I want to know if you guys like it. Give me some feedback. I'll put all the info on ingredients and all of that in my bio. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!